So again, Ma'am Dean, my name is Jerome Castañeda. I'm the Business Development Officer dito po sa CIM Education Center. Bali, this is a training division center ng CIM Technologies po. So, ano yan? So yung CIM Education Center po, yun nga po is a educational division of CIM Technologies. So, CIM Technologies po basically, yung ang aming pong talagang business is mainly software and hardware solutions provider, mainly doon sa industry ng architecture, engineering, construction, at saka sa manufacturing. So, mostly po, we are partner no ng Autodesk and Siemens sa mga product design and product development software, mga CAD/CAM. Yan po, yung makikita niyo CAD/CAM, CAE, and then building information modeling and set, also project management as well po. So aside from that, in the sa industry or commercial, we are also providing mga training. That's why the education center po ang mainly is to empower ating mga engineers, no, ating mga architects, ating mga professionals, and of course, ating mga mga faculty and students sa paggamit ng CAD, no, or mga product design or product development software and project management tools. Yan po yung mission namin is to deliver superior learning, no, experiences sa mga professionals, educators. Yan. So just a brief history. So 1989 po kami na-establish. So today magiging 35 years na po kami in the industry. So started naging training center yung ano niya. So mainly kasi our company president Mr. Victoriano Yap is also actually from ano siya, uh, dati siyang nagtuturo sa Lasal, no, in Manila. Bali ECE siya, and then he started just selling this AutoCAD sa manufacturing. And then by 1994, ayan, naging CIM Training Center po kami. Autodesk Authorized Training Center. Yan. Tapos, nung 2000, naging advanced na Autodesk Authorized Training. Advanced dahil from AutoCAD, no, naging na vertical na yung kanyang meron na po tayong sa manufacturing, meron na tayo sa mga construction, AEC. So, may mga nagsanga-sanga na siya. So, not only AutoCAD. So, and then, ng 2010, we rebrand to Stanford IT Learning. So, nag-rename lang po kami from CIM Training Center. And then 2016, again, naging academic partner na po kami ngayon ng Autodesk, no? 2016. And then 2020, naging dahil nga po doon sa pandemic, we naging hybrid na po yung aming mga training. We evolved, no, sa market demands. But I would like also to insert there na hindi naman na yung Siemens. We are also a partner of Siemens for at least 15 years na rin po, and then naging academic partner na rin po kami ng Siemens. So mostly naman sa mga manufacturing yung aming Siemens. So Autodesk sa AEC market, Architecture, Engineering and Construction. Tapos ngayong taon nga po, nag-rebrand na po ulit kami para mas andun na yung pangalan ng CIM, no, from Stanford. Paminsan kasi na pag kami, ano nyo yung sa Stanford University. So at saka hindi naman talaga kami basically IT, no, na may mga programming kasi. So kami mainly we are in the engineering talaga. Yung focus namin CIM, Education Architecture. Ayan. So ayan po, bakit nga po CIM Education Center? Dahil yun nga po 35 years na po kami, no. We just basically deliver technology of focus mga courses. And then again, I mentioned to you that we are an Autodesk Authorized Training Center and academic partner, no? We are a gold partner na Autodesk. Of course, also Siemens academic partner as I mentioned a while ago. And then industry grade instruction, no, competency driven. So yung amin naman pong mga curriculum talaga namang kumbaga ginamit na sa industry po, no. So and then there we would like also to share this, no, for the academe na what are the best practices na ginagamit sa sa industry po. So specialized courses in the advanced design workflow, yan mga building information modeling, uh, which is really tailored, no, for construction and also for manufacturing. Ayan. Ayan po. So doon nung bumisita yung mga PSME, I mean the Mechanical Engineering student or JPSME naman po sila talaga. Ang amin po talagang naka-front doon is yung pro- uh, product design, no, manufacturing, construction, which is mainly on the inventor side. But here, of course, there are other in terms of doon sa AEC, no, architecture, engineering, and construction. Andyan yung Revit, architecture, Revit MEP, of course, yung sa manufacturing, inventor, and then may fusion. So of course, dito naman we basically can customize our training po, no? Kumbaga kung ano lang naman sa industry ko, ano lang po yung focus nila, we just basically give those tools na kailangan lang talaga ng industry or sa mga schools ko ano po yung talagang they are concentrated on this center of excellence ba, o they just want to focus on the construction or BIM, may mga ganun, no? So here we also have this yung mga workflow courses, no, and manufacturing workflow courses, no. See, for example, they want to become a product design engineer, so may workflow tayo na mga courses na binibigay instead of mga software, no, na pag-aaralan mo. So ayan po yung parang sort of what I would say differentiate us from the others, no, that we have this we call pathway or the workflow na pwede nating ibigay sa isang gustong maging, say for example, this one who wants to become a BIM manager. So these are some of the steps or the courses that they are going to ano po engage, no. So BIM modeler, BIM draftsman, ito yung mga software, AutoCAD Essentials and Formate. Ganun din po sa civil, structural. Ayan. So it's the same. So meron tayong pathway na pwedeng kumbaga steps, no, para maging isang civil engineer, structural designer or maging isang BIM manager, yan. So yung mga roles na pwede nilang aspire, no, to become. Ganun din sa manufacturing, sa mechanical din. Although we're still on the process pa na ginagawa pa siya. So industry partners po natin, basically it's a mix, no, of the commercial and also government. Andyan din yung mga schools. Yeah. Mga just few of the the brands, no. Andyan may De La Salle din po dito, Manila. Yan. Yeah. So basically po, din yung meron po kami ditong tinatawag na yung academic adoption program na ang talaga yung ma-bridge, no, yung gap ng sa industry and the academe. So ano po ba ito? So yan. So basically, ang we offer here is the technology integration ng curriculum nyo. So basically, it's a collaboration in integrating yung technology doon sa curriculum ng school. So of course, no, yung academic, ayan, it's also the software is also being provided. Ayan, at no cost naman. And then industry alignment, no, and certification. So definitely, kanina nga po we are an authorized training, and we also provide the certification program, no. So magagamit 'yan ng mga mostly for of course if they want want to work abroad, this is recognized no worldwide. So faculty and student training and development, dan diyan papasok kami CIM Education Center. We will going to provide you with the necessary skills in order for you to adapt no in this technology, using the technology po. Yan. So ito po yun. So basically what you have in the program, andyan na yung mga software, CAD, CAM, CAE, and then the faculty development. So we will provide you with the training. So meron po siyang online learning for a year. We also provide that. And then yung mga industry recognized certification exam. And then ito yung workshop. Of course, we also provide the workshop and the activity, the boot camps, and then technical support kasi nga po we also help you no in implementing the software. So andyan po yung aming mga technical engineers. And then it's also a venue for partnerships and industry collaborations. Yan. So may mga MOUs na rin po kami ano po with few of our partners no, sa mga micro credentialing, mga ganun po. Tapos pwede rin po maging partner no for the implementing mga courses or mga ganyan mga training. Ayan yung ating mga academic partners po. So di pa po talaga to ano complete. Uh, Diyan pa yung may mga bago pa po kaming pinapasok din no. Ongoing naming mga projects this year no with Dr. Yanga, University of Antique. Ito po ang University of Perpetual Help no, PUP, yan. University of Nueva Cáceres, University of Batangas, and of course yan Mapua. So basically yan po yung CIM Education Center, we provide din po yung tinatawag naming bootcamp o yung mga interactive no. We basically yung provide hands-on learning then for the students. Actually, we also do this for the professionals as well, no, sa mga industry rin who would want to really test the software para at least ano na ba yung mga bagong ano ngayon, technology. So at least uh, they can adapt no kung ano po ba yung at magagamit nila doon sa kanilang uh, work or job. Ayan. So ito yung mga campus na nabisita na namin. So doing the bootcamp. So hopefully we can also do this to DLSU, Dasmariñas in the future. So ayan. So basically ayun po yung ano po what we do here in CIM Education Center, and basically